Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been a minute since I posted. I got in something to do with family. I'm not going to put too much information on that, but yeah, I couldn't upload for a minute. So today's video isn't really about a certain engine as it is for an attachment. Just got a couple U-joints and hook it up to my fastest engine because it's what a table saw needs, you know? First run of the saw. Don't try this at home, please. So yeah, it kind of jams up the blade a little bit with paper, but it sure does cut. It, yeah, I actually showed my woodshop teacher this. He loved it. But, yeah, it cuts paper pretty good. RPM test. There you go. There's 3 tests. Highest RPM was, yeah, that 4,504 RPMs on the saw, which is actually quite heavy. Makes a great flywheel. Yeah, honestly, I think that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Peace.